Yeah!
Part 3 on the worst yz125 on YouTube / the internet. If you didn't see in the last video, we got the rear end together, subframe on, greased everything up, rear brake was on. We did a little bit of controls at the end of the video, got the throttle all together and the clutch together. So in this video, we're going to be buttoning it up, getting the plastics on and the exhaust and everything. So this is what we got going on though. So here's one of the radiators. It is very bent. Look at that, that's nice. So I'll try to straighten that out and see what I can do with it. And then this is what we got for an expansion chamber. Super old Dynaport, it's super cool. Cone pipe, it's not all beat up, it has some dents in it. But luckily someone put this guard on it. But sadly, this is the silencer it came with, which matches exactly to my silencer for my 03 yz125. So I guess I'm gonna have to make something work just for now. Bolt it up. Looks like they already drilled a hole through the subframe for it. But I needed a spark arrestor for my bike anyway, so I'm gonna be putting the stock one on there, making that work. But pretty much they drilled right through here, and that's where it's gonna mount, which is great. So I'll have to find one of those eventually too. But for now, it'll work. And I don't have a front fender, but I have this one from my 03, which it might look a little funny with all white plastics with the blue front fender, but that'll have to do for now. So I'm going to start with probably getting the radiators on this and straightening them, and then I need to get the coil mounted up. So I need to sand these 2 points so it's got a good ground, but I don't think it's really gonna matter, honestly. I don't even know. But yeah, I'll get the coil on and then I'll straighten up that radiator and we'll see what's up. All right, got the coil mounted. Got a new kill switch ran, the one from the 250. All plugged in. But I just have the wires bunched up right here for now until I get the CDI off of eBay. They're like 200 bucks used, which is quite a bit for this freaking thing. But yeah, I'm going to get one of those on order here soon, and then we'll be able to start her up. But I also rewrapped the main harness a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to get that radiator straightened out, and hopefully it straightens out well. It's pretty bent, so we'll see. Straighten the radiator the best as I could. It's a lot better than it was. Still isn't perfect, but the best way I found is take a 2x4, lay it flat on the ground or on a workbench, and you just tap the edge until you can get it straight as you can. But sometimes there isn't much hope for these, but I'll probably end up trying to find another one. But for now, at least it will bolt up and I can get the hoses in order. So I'm going to move on to getting the radiators on. I got the one side installed, went on good. This side though, the holes are all gummed up, so tapping them out, gonna clean them out. Get this other side. All right, we got 2 radiators now, finally. All the hoses are connected. Clamps are on. Gonna be getting the pipe on next. Got the exhaust on. Got our 1 bolt up here through here. It totally works, but I wouldn't ride it like that. That bothers me. So I'm missing the gasket that goes in between there, the little rubber deal with the springs on it, and I could not figure out what kind of bracket they had going on here. This pipe's for this bike, but it doesn't line up right with this, so I have to figure that out. I don't know what's up with that. But this one lines up fine down here. I tried to put this one up here just like it is stock, and it wouldn't line up, so I'm gonna have to leave that for now, but she's solid. I had to source a couple springs, so I had a couple of those already. So yeah, next I'm gonna be moving on to putting on the rear fender, gas tank, plastics, and yeah. Got the tank on, the seat, rear plastics, all that. It's all on there. But boy, is this thing ugly. This thing is ratty. So all I gotta do now is the front fender fork guards. Bolt this on, it's just sitting there. And then put the chain on it. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna do in this video to it until I get the CDI and we get it running, or possibly sell it. I don't know. If anyone is interested in this, hit me up in the comments. I'm in Northern California. If you want it, shoot me an offer. I will sell it as it sits. You've seen what's all missing and what it needs, so let me know if you want to buy it. I'll meet up with you. But if not, then it's all good. But yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of that on and I'll be back. Here it is. All complete. All the plastics on. Got the chain on. Stole the mud flap off of the 250. It was the same, luckily. Yeah, here it is. Man, this thing's ugly. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do on it for now until I get the CDI. I just got word from the guy that I got it from. He is going to look for it. So he said he didn't throw anything away, so it should be around in his garage, hopefully. So we will see if he's gonna find it. And then we can start it up, and that'll be the next video. But for now, I'm just gonna be putting it on the side and figuring out what I want to do with it. If anyone wants to buy it, like I said, comment down below, and I'll figure out how we can contact each other, and we'll figure it out. If you want it, shoot me an offer. But yeah, so here it is.